G'day lads, we're back here, another video, Farm Simulator. Today we're just reaping a bit of corn. Yeah, sit back, relax and get a snack, and I hope you enjoy the vid. I'll see you when I'm about full. We're just unloading our first header box full of corn this year, and the corn is yielding very well. As you can see there, the green, when it's dark green like that, that means it's yielding good. And then light green's just like decent. Yeah, it's yielding as much as I expected, because this dirt on this field is loam, and when you have the good soil, which is loam, it yields better. So yeah, I'll see you once I get full again. We're just unloading the second box for today. Yeah, as I said, it's yielding pretty good. We're getting a bit off it, so can't complain. Yeah, it's going good. Unload into the Kenzie 851 with the 8520 Ks. And we'll get this guy back on auto. We're just gonna unload the chaser bin. First dump today. First hopper's full, and second hopper. So it takes about 2 chase bins to fill both trailers usually, so it's not too much grain. I'll see you when the header fills up. So I just got the drone out and I'm just flying above the header, and got a bit more to go. Looks like he's about 50% full. Yeah, just got a nice drone view. You can see most of the stuff around us. Pretty cool. Reaping all good. So the header's almost full. We'll unload him on the go once he turns around, and yeah, just wait for him to turn around first. I'll just check all the PGOs still working good. Check the tire pressure. It's alright. Let's jump back in. Keep the middle in line with the track and the header will do its job. Get her all unloaded. Also guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that sub button, subscribe button, and like, comment. Feel free to comment and stuff like. Let's go park this in position to unload it again once it gets filled up, and I'll see you once it's full again. So I just jumped into the drone. We're about halfway done, just over halfway. The header's about 20% full and the trash bin is half full. What a view. You can see the farm. You can fly above it. It will be full soon because it's yielding well. Yeah. So I was just checking the tyre pressure on the Kenzie chaser bin, and on the left side she's a bit doughy. So when we get back to the farm ready to reap some wheat, we're going to have to pump him up. We must have gone over a stovey pole. Must have been like a pole or bloody something in the paddock, some rocks, sharp rocks, because she's a bit doughy. She's going down. It's on a bit of an angle. But other than that, everything's working well. The case tractor hasn't blew up yet, so that's alright. When your case stuff isn't blowing up, she's going pretty good then. We'll see you when I unload this header on the go. Just getting ready to unload him. Put her in cruise control and let her unload. Whoops. Cruise control isn't working. Unload her and I'll dump her in the truck and we'll keep reaping. Almost done. Turn the PTO on and start unloading. Turn the PTO back on. And we're done. Done unloading. Follow him in and wait for the header to fill up. So I was going to post a video on the Yabby video, but I didn't because I caught 4 in the first net. I had 3 nets to go, and I only caught one more after that, which is pretty disappointing considering I was at this spot for 10 minutes, left the nets in for 10 minutes, checked them, got 7 in 10 minutes, and I left it in for about 18 hours, about 18 hours, and I only got 5. And the one that I caught the most with was cat biscuits and dog biscuits. So yeah, it was a bit disappointing. Not what I was expecting. I was expecting a bit more than that, but it is what it is. So I didn't post that video. But if you watched this video, you would have seen that why we didn't post it. And we're about to finish up the field. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed yet, just smash the subscribe button. Come on, can't hurt that too much. Put a comment down below, hit up a like, share it with some mates if you think they might like it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. We'll be reaping wheat.